All right, this is the Teba, the TKS15. So this is also going to be a three-sided stove. This is burning right now, so it really shows the flame. You can see the airflow in here, and that's dampered down. This is a nice hot flame. It has the convection located over the top of the firebox, so right in here, you can really just feel the heat blowing out of there. You do have the baking oven located on the top of the stove. They actually made us some very delicious pizza in here. And again, it is going to be the three-sided model. So, what do you think? You like this? It also has the log storage underneath. Contemporary, pretty nice.